Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to add subtitles on your Crunchyroll account. First of all, launch Crunchyroll application on your mobile devices. Once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see the category of account. Tap on it. Once you come over here, you'll see the section of Subtitles/CC language. Tap on it. So in my case, you can see that this has been set to none. So you can choose your preferred language for subtitles while you watch a show on Crunchyroll. I'm going to choose English on top. Here we go. Now if you go back, then tap on the option of Home at the bottom left corner. You can also set subtitles manually or individually for every show you watch on Crunchyroll. So tap on a show. Now you can tap on the option of Start Watching at the bottom. So once you come over here, you can see a screwdriver icon. Tap on it. Now over here you can see the section of Subtitles/CC. Tap on it. Now in some of the shows, the subtitles are defaultly set to English. So that's how you could simply add subtitles on Crunchyroll account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.